DEWALT came out with a new pocket-sized SDS Plus rotary hammer in their Atomic series line. So this is a 20 volt. Very cool design, slightly different than the 12 volt Extreme that came out not too long ago, but this guy, in my opinion, has some more power to it. We're going to go over this tool top to bottom, and then at the end we're going to hook up a voltmeter to it and just decide what's the best battery to use with this tool to get that full power that this tool actually has. Stay tuned. The DEWALT Atomic Compact Series 5/8 inch rotary hammer is model number DCH172. It's available bare tool or in a kit, and it has an optimum drilling range of 5/32 to 3/8 of an inch. And that's what you're gonna see here. We started out 5/32 and we're just working our way up to 3/8 of an inch. You have an impact energy of 1.4 joules. You have a no load RPM of 0 to 1060, and it has beats per minute of 0 to 4,980. Total tool length is just under 11 inches and total tool weight is just under 4 pounds. While drilling these holes, I'm using the Power Stack battery just because I wanted a little extra energy. It is 0 degrees outside, and I just wanted to get the best performance that I thought I probably could out of this tool so we could see what would happen later when we hooked up the 2 amp hour and compared it maybe with the 4 amp hour. Obviously, this is a compact tool, so whatever we use on this, we want to stay compact. Let's come in and take a look at it. DEWALT changed up the styling on this tool slightly. They put the forward lockout and reverse switch on the top. It is not in the way, although the depth stop kind of can get in the way of pushing it over slightly, but it is in a nice place and easy to get to. Rather than having a dial on the side, they put this lever to switch from drilling over to hammer drilling. There is no chipping mode on this, so you're just going to either hammer drill or drill. It does have a pocket clip on it, which I think is great for people who are going to use this overhead, and it is small enough that it has no issue doing so. The one downside that we see with 20 volt tools is that the battery meter is going to be hidden on the inside of the tool, so you have to remove the battery to check it. You got vents in the bottom, an LED light that is up front, and the variable speed trigger on this is pure DEWALT. I love it. You can get in, do something nice and slow, move it right up. Works great. The auxiliary handle up front is easily moved around. It has multiple different positions it can go in. You can slide it in infinite positions if you move it out further and then tighten it up, but it does have locking positions if you pull it back, so that once you tighten this in, it is not going anywhere. This tool works great. You have an easy in, easy out of the SDS drill bits. Pull that back, they come right out. This is awesome. Let's hook this up to the voltmeter, see what happens. We have the 2 amp hour battery on here that comes with a kit. We have a 5/32 inch drill bit. Let's see what happens with the voltage. Now let's drill the same hole with the Power Stack. And now with the little bit larger 4 amp hour battery. Let's try the 4 amp hour battery with the 3/8 inch drill bit. That was a cutout right there. All right, 3/8 inch bit with the Power Stack. that was a cutout directly there at the end. It's kind of to be expected as we get to the end of the bit. All right, now a 3/8 inch bit with a 2 amp hour battery. I'm going to let a lot of those numbers speak for themselves and let you decide what drill bit you're going to use, what you're going to be using it in, how much power you need to get through those tasks. But the 2 amp hour didn't do bad. Its worst dip was with the 3/8 inch bit down in the 15s. The power stack in the 4 amp hour, even with the larger bit, stayed in the 17s. That's a big jump in power and in feel. That's the voltage is one of the ways I can show to you that we have more power, and you can definitely feel it with the upper 2 batteries. I think it makes a big difference. So if you're disappointed with the 2 amp hour battery on this tool, you shouldn't be. Just jump up a little bit and I think you'll be more than happy with the power of this tool and the size of holes, as long as you're staying 3/8 and below where it's recommended. Pretty nice. I love that DEWALT is continuing to come out with smaller tools, giving everybody the power they need for the task at hand. Obviously this isn't going to do huge holes, but for someone who's doing a lot of smaller ones, they're going to love the size and the weight of this. Give me a like on this video. Comment below what you think. I always love to hear your comments. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.